amazing green day, everyone. My name is Bryce and I am the founder and program director of BRYCE Inspired Careers Greenschool. Why is nature neurons important for intelligence, creativity, and the hybrid mind? Ralph Waldo Emerson said, "The lover of nature is he whose inward and outward senses are still truly adjusted to each other." The world is homeschooling at the moment. With the increasing time spent online, parents and teachers need to help in creating a sense of balance, calm, and nature nourishment for our children. There are 5 reasons we find at BRYCE Inspired Greenschool that makes nature neurons amazingly important in our present homeschooling setup. 1. Because nature offers a bigger world outside our home. 2. It also helps us see natural connection of all the things around us. 3. It calms our nerves. And when we are calm, creativity comes as an invited friend. 4. Because nature is such a rhythm art. The sun rises and sets as a well-oiled clock. And 5. Because nature stimulates our senses even beyond our 5 known senses. Now, let us think of nature as an enrichment time. Leisure is good, of course. Play is essential. But our culture tends to dismiss independent play, leisure, and natural time as a non-essential nice to have. But in terms of child development or human development at any age, nature time is as important as activities we now consider as educational or developmental engagement. So join us in growing the Green School community and be part of our advocacy for nature learning, conscious parenting, and developing the giftedness in all of our children.